What?
Jesus rode on Keaton, I mean donkey. Because, you know, there's a donkey.
Yeah.
He was calling Keaton a donkey. Which is great.
Mm-hmm.
You guys and your donkeys.
I know, but...
Well, kinda. Sometimes.
Scratch that mustache.
It's nice out.
Yeah.
You know what's noisier here than at our house? That's awesome.
Saying something.
That's funny though. Yeah, let's go camping. We have this at home. We could just pitch a tent in their yard for free and had everything.
Except for Sheena.
Except Trey.
Sheena would have been there too.
No, but we wouldn't have Sheena with the barking.
Wow. You should tell her to shut up. She's not usually too
doesn't
bad.
bark.
And if there's people there, there'd be no animals around. Because they'd smell us if we had a fire that night or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Probably wouldn't be
We
around.
have a fire with firewood pallets. We can actually have a bigger one than this.
But this one's fine for roasting marshmallows.
We'd actually be able to roast marshmallows.
We are
Because
able.
I don't think they're going to turn out that good.
Why not?
Why not?
Oh, those. I don't know. They'll probably be too sweet. Everything's too sweet these days.
Yeah. People like sweet things. I like chips.
Like people like
I like chips.
I like chips.
He likes salts. I do too. I do too.
And
man.
sour things.
Yeah, I do too.
I like a mix. I don't like too sweet, but I don't like too salty.
What?
I don't want too sweet, but
I
I don't
heard
want too
you.
salty.
I like McDonald's Coke.
Why?
It tastes better. It tastes better.
It's better iced tea,
It's the
too.
best Coke with all the ice and everything. The way they make it, it's perfect. It's the best Coke. It is. It's not too sweet. It's just watery enough. It's just perfect. You can't get it anywhere else the same.
Yeah. Only at McDonald's.
Yeah.
McDonald's has pretty good iced tea too.
I've never tasted Coke.
Neither have I.
So.
It's gross.
You should- No, it's not. Well, yeah, it is, I guess. When you think of what it is, it's really not good.
Made it with a bunch of chemicals and... Yeah. That's what
Everything.
zero sugar is. It's made with a bunch of chemicals.
Zero sugar.
Coca-Cola zero sugar with the same great Coke taste with a hint of added vanilla.
You know what? We could steal another picnic table. And then you could lay down. You could each lay down on each side.
Coke will lay down here, and I'll lay down here.
Yeah. Oh, that's true, yeah.
One bed, six heads.
Then we have to clean the table, though. That's the other thing. They're kind of messy.
Yeah, we are. That's right.
That's alright.
It's mostly your fault.
It's my fault.
Yeah, I'm always clean.
Really. That's the one who probably farts.
What are you talking about? I haven't broken rule number 1 yet. I haven't.
Not on the trail.
I'm not in the tent. I'm not in the tent. I didn't. On the trail, that's okay. That's what the trail's for. It's funnier in the tent, though. But it's more mean,
It's like in the
too.
middle of the night.
It's more mean. It's more mean. It's like when it's all zipped up.
I broke rule number 1.
Yeah.
You also broke rule number 2 because rule number 2 is don't break rule number 1.
Mhm.
It's like, I'll break number 1. And you'll die.
There's vents in the tent, so it will eventually go away. It takes a while. Depending on how many windows are open.
Let's just assume that all windows are open.
Well, especially in the morning because it gets so hot. Someone's got to open them.
So terrible. You don't want to freeze during the night, but you don't want to
Boil during the
morning. So that means people normally get up in the morning to open the freaking windows. And then they go back to sleep.
Mhm.
Or back to bed because they don't sleep again. Because they're
I
too
sleep
hot.
again. I could wake up and just not even look and open the window and I'll fall right back asleep. But the second I open my eyes, it's just like... I'll fall asleep. I do that all the time. I sleep and I turn off my alarm. Like in my stage. Have you ever done that? You're still sleeping, but you're not sure.
How? You must not have been asleep then.
No, I don't know. Like it's not REM. It's REM sleep. It's not deep REM sleep.
Whatever.
Cole, whatever. He just doesn't care.
Cole, if you were
Cole
all
just
black,
doesn't
you'd be a
care.
goth.
He doesn't care about much. It's just whatever.
Except for Doritos.
He won't fight with anybody. He just like whatever. If somebody wanted to say something about whatever, he'd be like, I don't care. Whatever. Believe whatever you want. Anyways.
What you want, I believe what I want.
Yeah. That's good though.
Santa Claus isn't real. Actually, there's some people who only figured that out like this year.
You're shitting me.
No.
No. You gotta be kidding me.
Caitlin. It was Caitlin.
No. No way.
She figured out just before last year.
Really?
Yeah, I think so. Even though we're Catholic and believe in Jesus. You know, that's the reason why we celebrate it. You'd think that we wouldn't care about Santa then. Just saying.
Santa's not real. Like, oh, no.
And she says that she was kind of heartbroken, but it's pretty.
Haven doesn't know if Santa's not real.
Yeah, that's true. Haven doesn't know. We've known for a while.
Oh yeah.
I've known
We
because
all kind of figured it out. But
yeah, we
just
figured it
needed-
out by reading a book at my man's. That's how I remember figuring it out.
I remember.
Really?
The book at my man's is about Jesus for Christmas, and I was like, okay, no, Santa isn't real.
I figured out because
No, you gotta be kidding me. That's how you found out? My man, and you had a book all about Santa's fake.
No, it was about the real thing of Christmas.
it's
About
like Santa's
Yeah.
not real.
what Christmas is actually about is about Jesus and his rebirth and whatever.
And whatever. And whatever. Okay.
That's
And then you're like, oh, well, that sucks. What did you think?
It's
I
like,
just went, okay. Put
Like
the
you
book-
kind of knew, but
Yeah,
whatever.
Yeah, it's just like, I kind
Uh-oh.
of already knew that. Put the book away.
That makes sense. You're probably like, yeah, that makes more sense.
Close the book and threw it away.
Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
Yep.
Don't judge me.
Oh, cool. You're so funny.
This is great. No, you should probably throw another log on. Just saying.
You've grown up a lot this year, Cole.
Alright.
You're still doing that, though. All right.
Alright.
It's better than me.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, it's not all your conversation is when you're with people.
Meh.
Okay. That's all he says. Hey, Cole, how's your lunch? Okay. Yeah. Hey, Cole, we're going to the whatever. Okay. He probably doesn't say shit at all. You talk to anybody? Okay. They ask you something? Okay.
It's like,
Can I ask you something? Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Yeah, sure, go ahead.
Yeah, that's totally you. Yeah, sure, go ahead. That's totally you. That's funny.
Hopefully we don't kill anybody from our laughters.
Oh, yeah.
Because there's other people.
There is still other people here.
There's like 2 people.
oh yeah, then they have kids.
But they are in that camper at least.
And, you know, we're kind of camping, and, you know, it's not really that late. It's not even dark outside.
Yeah.
But they are kids.
Yeah, and they normally they want to stay up late.
Oh.
And they can sleep in.
That's what we. That's what me and Cole think the same way. I love staying up because then we can sleep in. I love sleeping in. Sleeping in's the best.
But you gotta sleep the same amount of time.
Yeah.
I like sleeping in though. It feels better.
Yeah, it
It's
does.
like, oh, it's the best sleep, and the sun's out, and just and have good dreams because you fall back
The
asleep.
birds are out, you can hear
Yeah,
them.
yeah. That's exactly how I feel. Oh man. Oh.
Crying or laughing.
I could both. Man, I feel exactly. I love sleeping in. It's the best.
It is the
Oh, there's the sun coming in. It's warm.
birds are
Yes, and you're not at work.
Yeah. You're not doing anything. You don't have to go to freaking school.
Yes. Oh,
Or
I
when
love
you
it.
sleep through your alarm
Yeah.
because you have a giant melatonin pallet.
Yeah. It just sucks when it's so good and you don't get up until 4 p.m. Then it's not good because then you're like, oh, it's already nighttime.
It's already the afternoon.
Yeah. I like getting up for breakfast,
Yeah.
I sleep through breakfast.
I like getting up at about lunchtime.
but sometimes I skip breakfast and sleep
Yeah.
in.
Mom never wakes me up for breakfast.
Why not? She lets you sleep in.
Yeah, but I sleep in until
Like
supper.
1 in the morning.
Yeah, you can set your alarm for whatever time you want.
Normally
I
I'm up
sleep
by
through
10.
my alarm.
I'll turn it up.
It's on its loudest setting.
You can make it wake you up. There's no way I can sleep when it's so freaking loud. There's no way you.
ACDC in the morning. Ah!
Yes.
That's how you wake up in the morning.
It's awful, and it's not even AC/DC. It's something else. It's some stupid alarm that comes with it. It's an alarm song. It's awful.
You know you can change
Wake
the
up,
song.
wake up, wake up.
I know. I should change the song, but it works though. It gets you up. Because it sucks.
So
I get so mad at though. Sometimes I throw my phone. I gotta smash on the bed all the time. Shut up! Try to sleep in a little bit more.
It's so annoying. Go away.
Well, the other day that happened, and I had changed it to 2 alerts instead of 3.
Uh-huh.
I used to have an emergency alert right before the time I have to leave if I'm going to make it to work on time.
Oh no.
I just said, I don't need that one anymore.
Oh
And then
no.
the other day, I wake up and shit, I'm a half hour late for work, and I'm still an hour away. And I'm like, oh no. Call my boss, I'm late. I'm going to be late.
You should get dressed, eat, and leave, and then once you're on the road, be I'm gonna be late.
Oh, it sucks waking up like that when you're rushed.
Uh-huh.
You got to rush like that. Oh, it's the worst.
Yeah.
I've never done it. Well,
Work should start at like 10. That would be way better.
Yeah, exactly.
that's when your brain actually starts working.
And then in the winter, it's not dark the whole way to work.
Yeah, exactly. I hate winter.
Yeah.
That's what I hate about school. It starts too early. I want to sleep in.
Driving in the winter sucks. It's depressing. It's just fucking dark the whole fucking month of December. And
You're just like,
it sucks.
does it ever end?
That should get those months.
Or I guess it would be, does it ever start? 'Cause, you know, the sun would be coming up.
You guys know what you're going to be when you grow up now?
Nope.
Changes every year, doesn't it?
No.
Yeah.
Well,
probably be
kind
an
of.
engineer.
Yeah, Cole wants to be an engineer. Of
What do you want an engine?
I don't know.
Do you know what an engineer does?
yeah.
Fix things.
Well, not just that. They plan, they fix, they engineer.
They do things.
Yes, but I don't know what I want to be.
Princess.
No.
Well, I don't want to rule anything, so I'm okay with being
I
princess.
don't know.
But then you have lots of money if you're a princess. Because normally they have lots of money.
Well, unless you're Princess of Shit Hill or something.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, we could name you Princess of our hill. Princess of Coal Meadow Mountain. That's our little hill.
Princess.
Because like we always
Princess of Dad Hill.
call our place Coal Meadows.
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know, because it's your guys' name.
Yeah.
When we first moved there, it was just dirt. We had nothing to name it after. Dirt. And now it's finally turning into something, but
Gold Meadow Hound.
it's cool Meadows.
It was there when we were babies. No, it's there when we were not babies.
Still
Children.
babies.
We're children.
We're younger than children. We're babies.
Yeah, probably. We're toddlers.
Yeah, we act like toddlers. We're all 4-year-olds.
We're all 4-year-olds here.
S'mores?
No. They're sweet. You can go if you want to. But I ain't gonna help you.
Why?
Go ahead.
S'mores.
I'm not gonna have it. I don't want it.
I don't got.
Well, go have one. Go make it yourself. So I don't really care. You go make one. Okay, you want s'mores? Go make one.
Yeah, but then I gotta.
Here, right here.
No, I can't.
They're right here. You can start whenever you want.
But I gotta put the thingy down. I gotta. Yeah. Is it hot?
Yes.
That one's hot-ish. Yeah.
Cool.
Cole, will you help me?
No thanks.
I'll smack
You're
it.
actually going to stick that in there?
No, I was gonna push the thing to help put the levers down to make the s'mores.
Oh, okay. Do you have?
Yes. But Cole will help.
Oh.
Damn, I'm going to burn my hand. Is it hot?
That one's not as
I'm sensitive.
hot. I know.
You're sensitive to the cold, not the hot.
He's sensitive to everything.
Oh,
Is it hot?
that's okay.
It's like my hands.
Mine's in. All the way up and then over.
Even though you can't, because there's a log in the way, it'll just fall
Cole, just
out.
knock it over.
Is there?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a log.
Just leave it up a bit. Oh, yeah, it's okay. Oh, you're going to have to wait 5 more minutes.
I ain't waiting for nobody.
You don't start a fire. I mean, a forest fire. You know. You gotta find out
Start
burn
one
down
if
the
I
entire place. The fire I'm talking about.
Aww. She loves you.
Okay, you warm your butt.
You just hold her so she doesn't fall. She's warming her butt.
Yeah, well, I can just do that, and then I just squish your head.
No.
Yeah.
I do this.
So does it stink in the tent?
Yeah.
Does it?
It does.
Not that bad. It gets kind
Does
of.
it smell like mold?
No, it smells mildewy.
That's what I'm talking about. Does it? That's not good if it does. It can't have mold in there.
Hopefully it doesn't.
Well, did you guys see any mold when you put the cushions in?
No.
Does it smell okay?
Yes.
Okay, I'm trusting Cole. And mildew's not a good smell if it smells like mildew.
Well, it's probably gone by now.
No, if it's in mildew, it's gonna still smell like mildew.
Dad, you can go and check if you want.
Well, it's too late now. We got no choice. We're not going home now. If it stinks when it's bedtime, we could go home if we had to, but
Well, that's my thing.
Yeah, kind of. There we go. Doesn't hurt anymore.
Toasty butt cheeks.
You and your freaking toasty butt cheeks. You gotta just put your arms down instead of hugging me.
What if they're tortilla?
Okay, sit down. You're sitting on Cole.
No, not on me.
He said sit down.
Crack is back.
Yeah.
Oh,
Crack his back.
I would like to.
How do you do that?
It's easy. You just go.
Cole's like squished right down.
Like.
Oh, no way. I can never do that. I would die. I would die. Yeah, I could never.
Is this like Cole? Can you go?
My back would break.
Cole,
in
can you
half.
put your chest to your legs?
Oh, I'd be dead. There's no way.
Not really.
Ha.
I mean,
I'm more flexible than you.
well, that's alright. I don't rather not break my back.
You don't break your back. You break your
Oh,
No, it's your
Dad's
leg
just.
muscles. It's like broken back. I did it.
But then he wouldn't be able to walk anymore.
Well, that's his fault.
Paralyzed.
My hand's getting better. It's getting way better.
It's a dance move.
Ah,
It's good.
feels way better.
Yay.
Still stiff, but.
You can move it.
It used to hurt when I even pick up my jacket. Like, I have to pick up my jacket. I'm like, just to try to get ready. Every time I'm trying to get ready, it sucks. Like, I hate when I gotta wear a jacket.
Even though you should put it on your right hand first, then it's just not as much.
Even
weight.
still, one of them has to hold it. They both hurt. They hurt both of them. And then if I put this one first, it has to bend a funny way. And it's like, and I don't like bending it either. It's like, damn it. But I'm lucky it's not worse. Like,
Yeah.
It's not. You're lucky it's not. For
I'm
the
lucky
rest
it
of
didn't
your
break.
life.
Like, if
Yeah.
it really broke, I would have been, yeah, way worse.
You wouldn't be able to work at all.
I don't think it broke.
No, probably. Not.
Probably just fractured it.
The guy said maybe there might be a hairline or something in there, but he
Yeah.
couldn't tell. He couldn't tell for sure. I'm still going with unbreakable. Never broken anything yet.
Neither have I.
Me
But we're
neither.
not unbreakable.
Well, I'm 45 though. Almost.
Unbreakable, Dad.
Yeah, I could be unbreakable. It's a good show. So I'm waiting
don't
for it.
think
I
I've
have to be in
ever
a train accident, and when I come out fine.
Oh,
Then you'll
see. It is a good show.
I remember that show.
Yeah,
The breakable guy.
I have it on my phone.
Oh, it's good.
We could watch it in the tent. We could watch it.
It's about some dude with superpowers, right?
Yeah.
Kinda, yeah.
And he's like, the only weakness he has is water.
I thought it was some
Is
other
it?
person.
Oh, yeah. I think you're right.
And then he falls in the pool and almost drowns if somebody saves him.
Yeah, and then there's one guy that's like super fragile, right?
Mr. Glass.
Yeah. That's right.
And
And
he
then
dies.
there's the split personality one.
Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
Have you seen that one?
No.
That one's weird. And then, yeah, Mr. Glass.
Because he spent time, he like broke a lot of things
Yeah.
just to see if he could find someone with superpowers. And Mr. Glass, he was dropped as a kid or something.
No, even when he was born, he broke everything.
Yeah, he was.
Yeah.
When he was born, all his bones were already broken
Yeah.
just from being born.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so horrible. It's a baby, all broken bones, every bone.
Oh,
The
that would
pain.
suck.
Oh, it's just, that's being born. There you go. Day one. Every bone.
That would suck. Like throughout the movie, he like runs and falls downstairs, and he's like ended up.
Mm-hmm. I'm
Broken.
sorry.
Mm-hmm.
And then he was in a car crash. But
Yeah.
his car is all bad.
And he ends up being in a wheelchair.
Mm-hmm.
I was in a bunch of people in one person.
Huh?
You know, it's a bunch of people in one person.
Yeah, that's split.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How did that happen to him? Was that just how he was born?
I think he's just a weirdo. I don't remember. I've seen it once, but it was a long time ago. I'd have to see it again. I've only seen it once.
He was born.
But yeah, he's weird. He's kidnapping chicks and stuff and locking them up. And one moment he's a guy, then he's a little kid, then he's an old lady, and he keeps changing his personality, and he totally believes it. Yeah, And the one girl's smart enough, she plays along with it.
Huh?
She figures out all his different personalities, and then she plays along with it, and somehow escapes. It's a good show. Weird, but you go along on your Meadow.
No, but I'm gonna wait until the thing comes out so I can put the s'mores on.
You s'mores. Why do you want s'mores?
We just want the fire, Meadow.
I don't care,
I'm
I
getting
want
cold.
s'mores.
I'm getting cold.
Yeah, me too. I didn't bring your
That's
freaking
been
jacket
Okay, let's make these freaking s'mores.
so that we can put one of the log on.